Everybody, welcome to Bobby Builds It, where today I need to clean some saw blades, and I'm going to use this kit that I got from Rockler. This video is not sponsored. Rockler don't even know who I am, but this has all you need to get your blades cleaned compared to some other things that are way more expensive, and I will put a link down below to this kit. What you get in this kit is a tub with a lid, a smaller container so you can do router bits too. We're not looking at that today. And one bottle of cleaner. So what happens with these blades is you get buildup like this of resin. And since I cut so much pine, there's a good bit. These aren't the worst blades I've ever seen, but I figured it was a good time to go ahead and clean them up. All we're going to do is take the spray that came with it and spray all over the teeth and let it sit for 5 minutes. Oh yeah, the kit came with this wire brush too that we're going to use. All right, it has been 5 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and take the brush to this side. I'm going to glove up. And then just give it a little brush. And that stuff just comes right out. Now I didn't actually directly spray this side. This was just down in the tub and some of the cleaner just got on there. Let's see if it did enough to get these things clean. Looks pretty good. And the bottle says to do not rinse after cleaning because it helps prevent corrosion. All right, well that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to finish up by just wiping off the excess, and I'm going to let it air dry for a little while before I put it back on the saw. And I didn't record me wiping it down, but there you go. I mean, that looks almost new right there. I'd say this kit here works. Save yourself some money. Clean your blades. We'll see you next time.